What's up guys, Brandon King out here, BK Roofing and Seamless Gutters down here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Get some 6-inch musket brown work done. Got Cody in the background there, all decked out in his uniform. Up there you got John, Austin, and Timmy decked out their nice uniforms. We got Dakota over here, blasting the blue, let it up shirts. Come on out here and show you guys some of the stuff we're working. Here you got a nice 6-inch piece of gutter, hangers every 2 foot. Beautiful home down here in Fayetteville. Almost all the gutters already ran, laid out where it goes at. Come on down here to the truck and show you guys something right quick. If you're looking to get some gutters, 6 inches is the way to go. But with our machine, it starts out right here as a flat roll. Runs through all these nice rollers inside this machine and comes out as a 6-inch case style. For some seamless gutters, give us a call, 919-268-2462. I'll make it happen. You have a good day.